Welcome to igboclass.com. In today's video, we'll be learning about Igbo words that begins with the letter M. Igbo words that begins with the letter M. Before we begin, a quick fact. Do you know that the letter M in the Igbo alphabet has dual functions? That is, it has two functions. It functions as a consonant and also functions as a semivowel. The M na-arụ ọrụ dịka mgbochi ume. Ọ na-arụkwazi ọrụ dịka mnyere ụda ume. Mgbochi ume na mnyere ụda ume. Then how do you know when it functions as mgbochi ume or when it functions as mnyere ụda ume? To know more about this, join us at www.igboclass.com, where you have a structured learning about Igbo consonants, Ụda Igbo, and other varieties of topics that will be of your interest. Ka anyị bido? Let's begin with what we have today. Igbo words that begins with the letter M. Mma, mma. Beauty, mma, beauty. Ọ mara mma, she is beautiful. Mma for beauty. So you use mma for anything that is good, anything that is fine, anything that is beautiful. Mma for beauty, explaining something that is nice. Mma, beauty. Mmanụ, mmanụ for oil. Mmanụ, oil for different kinds of oil, whether vegetable oil, palm oil, fuel and all that. They are known as mmanụ. Then attaching the respective function, that is what that particular oil is used for, now gives us the English name for the oil. Mmanụ nri, that is palm oil. Mmanụ ụgbọala for fuel, and so on. So mmanụ is basically oil. Mmanụ isi, the hair cream, and so on. Mmiri, mmiri for water. Mmiri, water. Ana m aṅụ mmiri. I am drinking water. Mmiri, water. Mmanya, mmanya for wine. Mmanya, wine, or anything that you can think of that is being drinkable apart from mmiri. Mmanya, juice, drinks, wine, alcohol. Mmanya, mmanya. Mmụọ, mmụọ for spirit. Mmụọ, spirit. Mmụọ, spirit. So if you should add the adjective ọjọọ to it, mmụọ ọjọọ, we are not talking of evil spirit. If you add the adjective ọma to it, mmụọ ọma, we are talking of angels. Mmụọ for spirit. Mmadụ, mmadụ, human. Mmadụ, human. Mmemme, mmemme, pronounce with me. Mmemme for event. Mmemme, event. Anyị na-aga mmemme, we are going for an event. Mmemme is the general name for event. Be it birthday party, wedding party, all kinds of celebration is known as what? Mmemme. Mmemme for event. The next word that we have is mmalite. Mmalite for beginning or introduction. Mmalite, beginning. That is the start of something is what? Mmalite. To begin something or the start of something is what? Mmalite. Mmalite for beginning. Mmechi, closure. Mmechi, closure. Mmeri, victory. Mmeri, victory. Mmeriri n'agha. Mmeri, mmeri for victory. Mara, mara, nose. Mara, nose. Ọ mara ihe niile. She knows everything. Mara, knows. Mere, did. Mere, did. That's in a past tense form. Mere, did. O mere ihe a sịrị ya mee. She did what she was asked to do. Mere, for past tense. Then the present tense is what? Ime, to do. Ime, to do. Na-eme, doing. Na-eme. So the past tense is what? Mere, did. Mmụta, mmụta for learning. Mmụta, learning. Mmụta, learning. Ị na-amụta ihe m na-akụziri gị? Are you learning what I'm saying? Are you learning what I'm teaching? Mmepe, mmepe for development. Mmepe, development. Mmepe abịara n'ala Igbo. Development has come to the Igbo land. Mmepe, development. Mbụ, mbụ, first. Mbụ, first. Now, mbụ is just for position, while otu is for number. Like if you're using it in a number form, it is otu. But if you're talking about position, that is first, second, third, fourth, you use mbụ. Mbụ. Ọ gbara onye nke mbụ. She came first. Mbụ. Ihe mbụ anyị ga-eme. The first thing we are to do is mbụ for first. Telling us about position. Metụ. Metụ, to touch. Metụ, touch. Metụ m aka, touch me. Metụ ya aka, touch him or her. Metụ, touch. Mpụ. Mpụ for malpractice. That is vices. Mpụ, malpractice. Sometimes it is also being referred to as corruption. Mpụ, malpractice. Kwụsị mpụ, stop all kinds of malpractices. Mpụ ule adịghị mma. Examination malpractice is wrong. Mpụ ule adịghị mma. Examination malpractice is wrong. Mpụ for malpractice. That is vices, the social vices. Corruption and so on. Mpụ, mpụ for malpractice. Mụtara, mụtara for learned. Mụtara, learned. That is the past tense of mụta. Mụta is the present. Mụtara is the past. Amụtara m ihe ị kụziri. I learned what you thought. Mụtara. I learned what you taught. Mụtara, learned. Mma agha. Mma agha. Mma agha. So literally, mma is a knife, while agha is what? War. Mma for knife, agha is war or battle. Now the knife that we use during battle is what? Is a sword. Is a what? A sword. So what is mma agha? A sword. The knife that we use during battle. Mma agha a sword. We have maybe. Maybe for destruction. Maybe destruction. It can also come as damage or spoil. Maybe destruction. Maybe to spoil, to damage, to destroy. Maybe. O mebiri akpa ya, she destroyed her bag. O mebiri ekwentị ya, she destroyed her phone. She damaged her phone. She spoiled her phone. Maybe destruction. Mmepụta. Mmepụta production. Mmepụta production. Ụlọọrụ mmepụta production company. Mmepụta for production. Mmegide. Mmegide for opposition. Mmegide opposition. That is to stop something from functioning. Mmegide to oppose something. Anụ ahụ na-emegide mmụọ. That is the flesh works against the spirit. Anụ ahụ na-emegide mmụọ. The flesh opposes the spirit. Mmegide to stop something from functioning properly. Mmegide to stop something from functioning properly. Imegide ihe to stop it from functioning. That is to oppose. To oppose. To put a stop to something. This brings us to the end of our video today. Don't forget to put more Igbo words that begins with the letter M in the comment box. And also like, subscribe, and share. Till I come your way again, I am Teacher Chiamaka. Bye.